Hello guys, good morning. In this section we will discuss on two-tier spine leaf architecture which is based on data center. In data center we use generally servers, storage. So data centers are dedicated building used to store computer systems such as server network devices. So this is known as dedicated for data center. This is dedicated for data center. Clear? This is the point. Then data centers is collection of many devices such as server and network devices. Server and network devices. Clear? This is the common point. Now, do you know there are two types of traffic? There are two types of traffic. If you know, you should write two types of traffic. Clear? That means first one is traffic in the direction according north and south. Second, a traffic in the direction east and west. Clear? This is the, so we have two types of traffic, and in two-tier network architecture and three-tier network architecture we have north-south direction type of traffic in two-tier and three-tier. Now, this two-tier and three-tier is applicable for that. Only for network south traffic. Why we need east and west traffic? Suppose if you take this example as this architecture which is a spine leaf architecture, but here we will tell you, do you know about the two-tier architecture and three-tier architecture? Suppose here user want to send a traffic and traffic will go to up and then it will go down. Here there are many hops, there are many nodes, there are many devices which are connected. So if there between destination from one user to other user there are many hops, there are many nodes, then it will increase the latency. It will increase the latency. So latency will be increased in 2T and 3T. Clear? First problem is that why we use spine leaf architecture? Because latency will be increased in two-tier, three-tier. That is the first problem. Second problem is that it is based on only north-south traffic. Clear? If any user want to access this server, but if there is only one server and there is no HA, then how there will be, if this is shut down, what will be happen? This user cannot access. This user cannot access. If they want to access this and if it is down, they cannot access. So there, if this is a bottleneck, then we should think, we should manage, and we should manage these server such that we are able to provide communication, and between communication there will be no bottlenecks, then we need east and west type of traffic. Suppose if this connection is down, then if you provide a connectivity between other server and same replication, same resembles, then uh, you will get a best way to communicate, and there will be no bottlenecks. So spine leaf architecture is very important and vital role, because data center is everything for communication purpose, because server stores everything. That is cloud based architecture. So if it is store everything, so every information is essential, every type of information is essential, and there will be bottlenecks. That will be the problem. So due to find out the problem, due to resolve this type of problem, we need some other architecture, which is spine leaf architecture. Clear? Which is a spine leaf architecture region. So we want minimize this architecture. So problem was that north and south traffic we have known about in two-tier architecture and three-tier architecture. Three-tier architecture is based on access switch, access layer, distribution layer, and core layer. Now, when most traffic in data center was north, that will be the problem. But with the help of east and west traffic, we minimize these things. Clear? Here, this is a trick of a east and west. Clear? East and west traffic, and traffic for this is a north and south traffic. This is a north and south traffic. Clear? Now, as we know, with the precedence of virtual server, applications are often deployed in distributed manner, which increase the amount of east and west traffic. So sometimes, because it is based on servers and network devices, so we can say about spine leaf architecture about with other names. Spine leaf architecture is known as clause architecture. Clear? Now, there are some features about spine leaf architecture. If you look at this figure, you will get more information. We will tell you in deep about this. Do you know? Look at this figure. Every leaf is connected with every switch. So first point is that every leaf is connected with every switch, every spine. Clear? First point is, that is the best point. Look at this. If every leaf is connected with every spine, that means there is, if you take two halves, suppose that then equal path here, first, second, third, then for first, second, third, first, second, every leaf if every leaf is connected with every spine, that means we got same equal path, then there will be no latency. There will be no, if any down, then again it will connect for others HA redundancy purpose, then we can connect with other and easy we can manage. Because if we increase our infrastructure, then we attach leaf, then we will attach spine, we will connect with, there will be no latency. Clear? This is the common point. So every leaf is connected with every spine, so we can say vice versa. Every spine is connected with every leaf, because it is if and if only. That means for implies for two ways implication. Here I want to say two way implication. If every leaf is connected with every spine, that means every spine is connected with every leaf. Now second point is that no leaf and no spine is connected with each other. No leaf and no spine are connected with each other. This is the point. That means no leaf and no spine are connected with each other. That is the point. Clear? So there is no aggregation, though there is no load balancing. So it will not take to reach out destination, it will not take time. So less latency. Because equal path is considered in this. Here every server is separated with same number of hops. Clear? Same number of. So we can attach many same figure, same information. We can summarize this. If this is server, then we can copy paste this server as that every information is here. If this is down, it will be available directly without loss of generality. We can connect with this traffic. Clear? That is the point. If you talk about this type of architecture, which is very useful for us, then suppose if you want to subscribe, if you want to attach, what will be the if you attach, that means high, more spines equal more bandwidth. That means every because there is no latency, so high bandwidth will come. High bandwidth will come. And do you know there is a protocol, there is a rule. Which type of rule use this? ECMP. What is ECMP? Equal cost multi path. Equal cost multi path. This traffic is used. Clear? So low cost. This is network. That means disaggregation. Here no cost means because we do not aggregate here, because no spine is connected with each other, so we can no aggregation. Clear? In expensive cabling, in 3-tier architecture and 2-tier more cabling, but here 2 cabling is enough, first and second. Clear? That is the, so this network is very scalable, very scalable. Here there are more features about spine leaf architecture, so we should consider this. We can attach with this other exit interface I will considered as the leaf, then a router will come. So why we use spine leaf architecture? We use spine leaf architecture to overcome the limitations of 3-tier network architecture. Clear? 3-tier network architecture to overcome three-tier network architecture limitations. Now, it is a cloud-based and centralized system. Clear? I hope this will be very helpful for us, and I have information about spin life architecture that is enough to understand there are 2 traffics in north south and east west, and what is the latency and cabling and oversubscription, HA. There are many terms which is very important to understand the spine leaf architecture. So I hope that you will understand, you will think about this. There are many network architecture are available in our scenario, and we will discuss on upcoming video. Thank you guys for this.